Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Welcome to day 20 of 25 Days of Christmas with Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. Can you believe that? 5 days left, guys. Tell that. Bearded guy in a red suit comes down a chimney and brings all joy to children and adults throughout the world. So, let's see. Card. I don't know. Oh, I think I feel a tire. All right, let's see. I don't know. I felt a tire. I felt the tire. Oh, look it! It's a little red toothpick. It's a little red truck toothpick holder. That's cute. I gotta take it out now. Oh my god, that's gonna be left out all year long. Cool. That is adorable. Look it, guys. Look it. It came with a little thing of toothpicks. And then look at that little truck. Oh, it is Christmas. It's Christmas. I still can leave it all year long. I leave stuff. I have a salt and pepper shaker. 2 of them. 2 different ones. I don't have a toothpick holder. So that's cool. That's going to go right in front of my salt and pepper shakers. Or maybe a little behind because this looks a little bit bigger than my salt and pepper shakers. That is so cute, Sabrina. Thank you so much. I love it. Look it. Look it, look it, look it. Cute. Love it. Thank you so much, Sabrina. She really knows what I like. So, she knows I'm in that red truck. Oh, we'll turn it like that so you guys can see it. So, thank you guys for watching. As always, go check out Sabrina and see what I got her. Because I don't remember anymore. I'll be quite honest. It's because, we're 20 days in. So, and I had them all in order, and I had it all wrote down on a piece of paper, and I lost that piece of paper. So I go watch Sabrina open just to see what she's getting, because I don't remember. Alrighty, everybody. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, and Merry Christmas.